Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to be making roasted asparagus. Once you cut the bottom of the stems off, I rinsed them off in the sink and then I patted them dry. Over here I'm just laying them out in a sheeting pan. Going to add a little bit of olive oil on the top. Mix that up with a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of pound cheese. And then with my hand, I rubbed them really well, and then I popped them into a 350-degree oven for approximately 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice golden dark green. And yeah, so let's continue on. And at the end of the video, just want to let you know, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. And this is also a great healthy side dish, by the way, and it works really well if you're doing almost any really weight loss program. And of course, there you have our final product. Enjoy your day. Bye.